How to fix when an Android phone cannot receive or send text messages. So if you want to fix the problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with the profile which is on the top right, and then tap on Manage Apps and Devices, and then tap on Manage, and here you need to search for the Messages application. So scroll down and then find the messages. Once you find the Google Messages, tap on it, and if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go and update the application. After updating, then you need to go back and you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to open up your Messages application. After that, you need to make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions for this application. After allowing the permissions, now you need to go back and you need to tap on storage and cache, and you need to clear the cache. After clearing the cache of this application, then you just need to simply go back, and under your settings, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for reset and go with reset options. Under reset options, you need to go and reset your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, or you may also have an option of reset network settings. You need to go and reset your network settings. After tapping on reset, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and power off or restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.